Exhausted parents want something better. Here's a mom of a 6-year-old with speech delay and has been feeling a lot of anger and resentment towards the world, crying every day as a mom because no one will understand how tough it is when you're raising a special needs child. No one's helping this mom. No one's equipping and empowering her at home because she feels like she's chasing something. Her daughter's been diagnosed with a severe speech delay, obviously is still not talking at 6 years old. That's a severe delay. ASD, because the child's using so many nonverbal communication behaviors that she probably looks very autistic. And then mild ADHD, because she's probably using movement as one of her communication. And they say mild ADHD because they can't get her to sit in a chair, right? And she feels like she's been chasing something for the past few months because whatever she's got going on right now is not helping this mom. And look, it says, I feel like my life is not mine anymore because everything I do is for her and revolves around her. I feel isolated from the world. Nobody's helping this mom. When I see other moms enjoying life, I can't help it, but I feel a sense of jealousy because this mom has no enjoyment with her own child. I wish my life was normal too, and I didn't have to struggle every single day to understand my child and her needs, and she just wanted to vent. So you see that these are the things that are happening every day